Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin your Steam games directly to the Start menu in Windows 10. This is a great way to access your favorite games quickly without having to open Steam first every single time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to click the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the Windows icon that opens up your main Start menu and gives you access to all your apps and programs. Once you click it, the Start menu will expand, showing you your recently used applications and various options. Now, in the search bar, type the name of the Steam game you want to pin to your Start menu. The search bar will immediately start looking for matches as you type, and your game should appear in the search results within a few seconds. This search function is convenient because it lets you find any installed application on your computer without having to dig through folders or menus. Once your game appears in the search results, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the application. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Pin to Start. Go ahead and click on it. This action tells Windows to add a tile for your game directly on the Start menu, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. After you select Pin to Start, your game will now appear as a tile in your Start menu. You can find it by clicking the Start button again in the bottom left corner of your screen. The game tile will be visible among your other pinned apps, and you can click it anytime to launch the game directly without having to open Steam separately first. And that's it. You've successfully pinned your Steam game to the Start menu in Windows 10, giving you quick and easy access whenever you want to play. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.